Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about a very common issue. Let's say that you have a PDF file that is locked or password protected. You can't seem to get in. What are some ways to get around this problem and actually remove the password from a PDF file? That's what we're going to talk about in today's video. But before we do that, please consider subscribing to my channel where each week I publish a bunch of videos on various topics just like this one. Okay, let's jump right into it. So I am going to try to log into this PDF, but I've already entered the wrong password too many times, and now I am locked out. One thing to note here is that, if you are locked out, you may have a limited number of attempts left to actually log into your file, so keep that in mind. The first method is actually the easiest, and it is also the simplest, but it is only going to work if you already know the password to the PDF. If you don't know it, skip ahead to the next section. Now once you have the PDF open, we're going to go up to File Properties, and then we're going to go down to Security. Once we click on Security, we're going to see that there's a password protecting this document. However, under the Security tab, we can change the security method. We're going to change it from password to no security, and then we're going to be prompted to put in our password. Once we do that, we can click OK, and we can save the document. Now if we go back into the document, we can see that there is no longer any password protecting this PDF. Alright, so let's close this out. The next way to actually remove a password from a PDF, if you're willing to give up some of the formatting. So if you don't care about losing some of the formatting, you could always just copy and paste the entire thing into Microsoft Word. But if you want to keep the formatting, there is a workaround using Google Chrome. I'm going to open up Chrome and open the PDF directly within Chrome. Now keep in mind that this trick doesn't work on all PDFs. For example, this one opens up just fine, but if I try to open up the other one, it gives me an error message saying that Chrome can't open this type of file. If it does open, all you need to do is make sure you enter the correct password. And then once you're in, you're going to press Ctrl+P or Command+P on a Mac to print the document. Then you're going to choose to save the PDF to a new PDF, and you're going to give it a different name. Then click Save. What this does is it bypasses the password protection and creates a brand new PDF that is no longer password protected. Now keep in mind that this doesn't work on all PDFs, and specifically if the PDF has editing restrictions, this will not work. But for some PDFs it may be an option. The third way to remove a password from a PDF file is by using an online PDF unlocker. There are quite a few of them out there. I'm going to use Smolp's Unlock tool. You can upload your file directly to their website. Now keep in mind that you're uploading your file to their server, which means that it's going to be visible to anybody who works at SMALL-PDF. So I would recommend using this only for non-confidential information. Otherwise, you might consider sending your file to somebody else who you trust to remove the password for you. Once you've uploaded your file, it's going to give you a few options. One of those options is to unlock the PDF. All you need to do is click on Unlock PDF, and then you can download your PDF. Again, just a reminder, never use something like this for confidential information. And remember, some PDFs may be password protected for a reason. Think twice before removing that password protection. Now that you know how to remove a password from a PDF file, check out this video over here where I show you how to password protect a PDF file. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.